Preparing for the ANCC FNP-BC exam? This guide delivers the structure you need for first attempt success. First, let's break down the exam structure. You'll face 175 questions in 3.5 hours, which is about 72 seconds per item. Only 150 of these questions are scored. The other 25 are unscored pretest items, but you won't know which is which. To pass, you need a scaled score of 350 or higher. The format includes multiple choice, multiple response, drag and drop, and hotspot questions. Understanding this framework is the first step in building an effective study plan and managing your time on test day. Preparing in 2026 requires special attention to two key updates. First, the FNP test content outline will be updated effective October 30th, 2026. If your test date is near this window, confirm which blueprint version you'll be tested on. Second, beginning January 1st, 2026, candidates must apply for certification within 5 years of their degree conferral. Using outdated materials or ignoring these policy changes can leave you misaligned on exam day, so always check the official ANCC sources. The most effective study strategy is blueprint aligned. The ANCC FNP exam is built on 5 core domains. Assessment is 19%, diagnosis is 17%, and planning is 19%. The largest domain is implementation at 29%. And finally, evaluation makes up 15%. Your study time should reflect these weights. Don't just study what you like or what feels easiest. Focus your energy where the exam focuses its questions. This targeted approach prevents gaps in your knowledge and builds balanced competence. Let's focus on implementation, the largest domain at 29%. This is where many candidates lose points. It covers pharmacological and non-pharmacologic therapies, patient education, referrals, and responding to urgent situations. It also includes the legal and regulatory aspects of your scope of practice. To master this area, move beyond simple recall. Use study tactics like building escalation ladders for conditions, mapping referral triggers to clinical scenarios, and drilling triage decisions where the first action is safe escalation. This structured 12-week schedule is designed for busy clinicians and new graduates. It's broken into phases. Weeks 1 and 2 are for diagnostics and blueprint mapping. Weeks 3 through 6 focus on the core clinical domains of assessment, diagnosis, and planning. Weeks 7 and 8 are dedicated to the heavy-hitting implementation domain. The final weeks are for evaluation, mixed timed practice, and targeted remediation. This phased approach builds knowledge systematically and helps you peak at the right time for your exam. On test day, strategy is key. With about 72 seconds per item, you must manage your pace. Before reading the options, decode the question stem to identify your exact task, like finding the best next step or most likely diagnosis. This helps eliminate wrong answers quickly. Discard options that are unsafe, outside your scope, or address a later step in the process. If a question is taking too long, flag it and move on. Reserve your final 20 minutes for these flagged items. Ready to put this plan into action? This guide is just the start. At Open Exam Prep, you can access a full bank of ANCC FNP practice questions mapped to the current 5-domain blueprint, complete with exam-style rationales. Start building your confidence today with our comprehensive 100% free study materials. Visit openexamprep.com to begin.